Oh, guys, we gotta scream. This guy got hammered this one. Woo. This guy's angry. Ooh. All right, well, welcome to the video, guys. This is gonna be part 2. Since on the last video I already caught my limit. Oh, this is either a strong fish or a big boy. All the other 3 I caught were right around 29 inches. Oh, this guy spit the hook. Wow. All right, guys, we'll be back in a minute. All right, guys, we're back over here and got all that mess sorted out. Now let's get a measurement on these guys. Ooh, that guy's on it. Is angry still. This one is a 29-inch redfish. A 29-inch redfish. Wow, beautiful. And this one, which is one I thought that was smaller, I think he's actually going to be a little bit bigger. Let's see how big it is. This one. Let's see, come on. Got fish slime all over me. It's hard to do anything now. And this guy is 29 and a quarter redfish. Look at that guy. Woo! Look at that redfish. Wow. Wow. All right, guys, we'll be back in a bit. One more and that's our limit. It's really nice when you get a double hookup, you get 2 for 1. All right, guys, I'll be back in a bit. All right, guys, we got hooked up again. Only had 1 rod out. Was barely getting all my stuff set up. Ooh, this is a, ooh. This one is angry. Looks like he's coming towards us now. Ooh, like I said, this is just a beautiful day today, guys. If you didn't come out here fishing today, I feel sorry for you, because it is a beautiful day. But hopefully we have a lot more days like this, and maybe I'll catch you out here. Oh yeah, there he is. There he is. Woo. Well, I didn't find him at first, but once I found him, guys. I might have to make 2 videos on this one. Do 2 different limits, because I'm already at my limited out right here with this guy. This guy's for sure going to be a keeper. And well, if I land him, at least, you never got him till he's in the boat. And even then, sometimes they can jump out. Oh wow, this is a nice fish. You know, just trolling these lures. I didn't even get all of my lures out. I usually have 2 lures that I'm trolling, and then I do something downrig, usually something I'm testing out. Or if it's really slow, I'll downrig 2 lines, up to 4 lines downrig if I need to. That's usually on the slower days. Usually the action's pretty good, so I don't have to do that. And it's kind of a pain whenever you have 4 lines out, 4 plus lines out, and catch a fish, especially when they don't cooperate and they get everything all tangled up. And this guy is barely hooked. Let's land this guy. All right. Come on, guy. Come on, right into the net. Right into the net. Let me pick his head up. Come on, guy. He's still a little green. Doesn't want to cooperate. Come on. Try to shake that hook. He might shake it too. It's only got 1 hook in him. And we got him. Woo, it's another good fish, guys. It's gonna be in that 29-inch range also. I got a lot of meat today, guys. It will go to good use, that is for sure. All right, let's see. All right. Oh, he's still a little green. He is still a little green, that's for sure. And here he is drumming away. Get the fish grips on this guy. I'm gonna put my fingers in there, especially when they're this big. The teeth are pretty gnarly on these guys. They're a little deceptive. You can't really see them when you pull the skin back on their lips. You just see those little chompers. All right, thank you. Yeah, you got the hook out for me. Thanks, buddy. There we go. This is another nice solid fish, guys. Look at that guy. Woo. That is a nice one. Let's get a measurement on him. All right. And this is another 28, almost 29 inches, 28 7/8. That is a good looking fish, guys. All right, guys. It looks like it's gonna be it for this video. If I catch more, I'll just make a part 2. But make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And like I said, if you see me out here, you see this blue kayak, and you see these this unique rod holder setup with the downriggers and all that good stuff, you know, make sure you say hi. My name is Joe, and we'll catch you on the next video, guys. Bye bye. We are hooked up again, running into these schools of redfish. See if I can get a double hookup. Oh man, this guy is angry. Woo! This guy is not a happy camper. Oh, we're gonna bring him in. This is another good. Also, we're gonna do catch and release because we already have our limit. We already got dinner. So catch and release from here on out. Oh, this is like a good one, guys. Oh yeah, he's over there. Let's try to keep pedaling so we don't get our lines tangled up. Which hopefully we haven't done that already. I don't think we have. And maybe we can get another fish on at the same time. Alright. Yeah, so like I said, this is going to be part 2. I had lost the fish earlier. I don't know if I'm going to put that in the video or not. We will see. And if not, this is going to be the start of the video. So hi, welcome to my channel. Thank you for watching, clicking on my video. If you don't mind, please subscribe to more videos so I can show you how to catch these big boys. Oh yeah, he's trying to shake the hook. Oh yeah, that's another good one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, guys. Woo! This, like I said, this is another beautiful day out here. It got a little warmer, but it is still, the wind feels cool. So when it's not too windy today, a very light breeze every now and then. And when it comes, it feels great. I got my umbrella here, so I'm pretty well protected. I am not complaining one bit. This guy's actually smaller than the guys that we've been catching today. He looks a little smaller, more like a 25, 26 incher. Maybe bigger, but he does not want to come in. Do not spit that hook, buddy. Do not spit that hook. Come on. Come on. Do some close paddling here. Here we go. Here we go. I'm gonna scoop him up. Scoop him in the net. Whoa. He didn't like that. Usually want to go head first. But I'm trying to sneak up on this guy. Let's see. Oh, he only got one hook in him, but it looks like it's pretty good. There we go, guys. And another keeper on the boat. All right. What an awesome day of fishing. That is 4 keepers today. And I lost one. So it would have been 5, but I don't know what happened. My hooks are, I don't think my hooks are dull, and this is the exact same lure. So There we go. He just probably had it skin hooked last time. All right, let's see what we got here. Oh yeah, this is a nice fish. Good, healthy fish, guys. And there we go. He's about a 26, right at 26 inches. Ooh, what a beautiful fish. He's got one spot. I still haven't caught one without spots yet. That's still one of my goals, to get one without spots. And sometimes when I hold it like this, I'm like, oh, no spots, but it's under my hand. So there you go, guys. Oh, almost lost my fish grips. And that guy looks like he is ready to go. Ready to go. Bye, fella. We'll catch you another day.